Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to make a payment on YouTube TV. If you're finding your favorite shows suddenly unavailable, chances are your payment might be due. Don't worry, it's a quick and easy fix. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give us a like and subscribe to Fix Zone for more helpful tips and tricks. We're always here to help you navigate the world of technology. Okay, so in this video, we'll cover a few different ways to make your YouTube TV payment, including paying through the YouTube TV app on your phone or tablet, paying on your computer, and troubleshooting some common payment issues. Let's get started. First, let's look at how to pay through the YouTube TV app. Open the YouTube TV app *. Make sure you're logged into the account with the active subscription. Tap your profile picture *. You'll find this in the top right corner of the screen. Select Settings *. This will bring up your account settings. Tap Billing here. You'll see your payment method and billing history. If a payment is due, you'll see a prompt *. It will likely say something like payment overdue or payment failed. Tap on that prompt. Follow the on-screen instructions *. This usually involves confirming your existing payment method or adding a new one. Just double-check the payment information is correct before confirming. Once you confirm, the payment should process, and you're good to go. Now, let's move on to paying on your computer. Go to the YouTube TV website *. Open your web browser and go to tvyoutube.com. Sign in *. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Click on your profile picture *. It's in the upper right-hand corner. Select Settings *. This will take you to your account settings. Click on Billing *. Similar to the app, you'll see your payment information here. If a payment is due, you'll see a notification * again. It might say something like payment overdue. Click on the notification or Manage *. This will take you to the payment options. Update your payment method or confirm your existing one *. Follow the prompts to make the payment. Now, what if you're encountering some problems? Let's go over some troubleshooting tips. Invalid payment method *. Make sure your credit card information is up to date, including the expiration date and CVV code. Also, ensure that the billing address matches the address associated with your credit card. Insufficient funds *. This one's pretty straightforward. Make sure you have enough funds available in your account to cover the payment. Payment method not accepted YouTube TV accepts most major credit cards and debit cards. If you're using a less common card, it might not be accepted. You can also use a Google Pay balance in some regions. Try a different payment method *. If you're still having trouble, try adding a different payment method to your account and see if that resolves the issue. Contact YouTube TV support *. If you've tried everything else and you're still unable to make a payment, contact YouTube TV support. They can help you troubleshoot the issue and resolve any underlying problems. You can find their contact information on the YouTube TV website. And that's it. Making a payment on YouTube TV is usually a pretty simple process. By following these steps, you should be able to get your account back in good standing and enjoy your favorite shows again in no time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Fix Zone for more helpful tips and tutorials. Let us know in the comments if you have any other questions about YouTube TV payments. See you in the next video.